Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap Exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy FLUX-BSC in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. First, let's take a closer look at the FLUX project. FLUX is the cryptocurrency that came out of the FLUX ecosystem. FLUX ecosystem is based on Web 3.0 and aims to provide decentralized computing services. Scalability and innovation inspire the various FLUX projects. But what's new about the FLUX ecosystem? Its tokens are now available in other blockchains, and the native coin will be accessible to swap it from 10 parallel assets in total. InstaSwap Exchange added on its platform the two cryptocurrency pairs of the new FLUX parallel assets, FLUX Binance Smart Chain and FLUX Ethereum. Now we will show you how you can exchange in a few simple steps to FLUX Binance Smart Chain. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select FLUX-BSC as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins, as well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email address in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct and simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While we expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and await for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you your desired currency to your provided receiving wallet address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.